Hello everyone and welcome to another video from creativeblogs.com. My name is Kip. Today we're going to be talking about how to install WordPress using FTP FileZilla. So basically what that means is you're going to upload your files directly into your server using FileZilla. If you need any help on learning how to use FileZilla, please go ahead and check out my other tutorials. So basically once you're connected, you're going to scroll over to whatever directory you want to install your WordPress in, and for me, I've actually made if you want to install it on the root directory of your .com, you just copy all these files and drag them to this site, and this is what it would look like. But since I already have WordPress installed here and I kind of want to show you guys how it goes, I made a subdirectory called WP test. So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to grab this right here and drag it right over here. Now if you don't know where I got all these files from, the link's below, but basically you come here, download WordPress 4.7.2, which is the latest version right now. Once you download it, you unzip it, open your FTP software that you're using, whatever program it is that you're using. The most popular is FTP. I mean, it's FileZilla. It's from the folks over at Firefox, Mozilla. Of course, they have a lot of open source programs like this one. Honestly, I love this. I've been using it ever since I've started, and I haven't switched to any others. There's also FTP Duck and just a bunch of others. There are some paid ones out there, but to be honest with you, anything you would be able that you need to do with an FTP program, you'll be able to do with FileZilla, man. You know, they're constantly updating it, so you won't lose out by using it. Now, if you want to know where to get FileZilla, I do have a link in the description below where you can get FileZilla. Now, once all these files are done uploading, we're gonna come over and continue the process installation. For now, I'm gonna pause the video and continue it once these files are done. Okay guys, so now all the files are uploaded to our subdirectory WP test, and so now what we're gonna do is we need to go ahead and create a database. For this, we are going to be using our cPanel. You can do this with my PHP admin or whatever the case may be, but for this example, we're going to be using the HostGator cPanel. Now scroll over to my database wizard. This will walk you through all the steps. You could do it separately and create a database and then create a user for the database, but you can do it all just by following the steps here. So you go ahead and click on that my SQL database wizard, and it's going to take you through the steps. So now right here, what we're going to do is we're going to name our database, which is WP test. We'll go to the next step, and this is going to basically create the username for the database. Password, we can choose whatever password we want. You can actually use the password generator, and then just go ahead and click create user. Now you want to go ahead and give your user all of the privileges, so just go ahead and click all privileges and hit next step. And you're completed with this task. You are definitely done. You've created the database, the user to use the database. Now it's time to move on to the next step. Okay guys, so we've done everything. We've created our database, we've uploaded all our files, so we're ready to go, ready to run the installation script for WordPress. So the instructions are going to tell you to go to your domain, and it should automatically give you the option to start connecting your database that you created in the previous step to your blog, to your installation. Now, a lot of you might get this error, a lot of you might not. when you go to installing WordPress. So today I'm going to show you how to get around this. Normally what I like to do, since I do a little code, is I edit it in my text editor, but I'm going to show you how to do it on your web browser. Basically what you have to do is you have to edit the WP config file, and basically this is going to tell your server to connect your WordPress site to the database that you've just created and the username that you created. So normally what I would do is I would just grab this, open my text editor, make the edits I need to make, and upload it again. Now there is a simpler way to do this, and that is by typing in HTTP, your domain, in my case creatorblocks.com /wp-admin/setup-config.php, right? So basically you're gonna type this in with your domain. Obviously you see WP test here because this is where I've installed my my WordPress site. And then if you installed it on your root directory, obviously you want to take out the that, so that it reads like this. And then you go to setup-config.php. Now what you want to do before you go there is you want to open your FTP program and scroll over till you find that wp-config.php, and you want to go ahead and delete it. Otherwise it's going to tell you that it's already there. So you're going to go ahead and delete that file. Okay, once you've deleted that, you're going to go to your web browser, right? And you're going to type in the address I gave you, and voila, it's going to take you through the process of setting up your WordPress site and database. So once you get the language thing, go ahead and hit continue. Welcome your database name, your username, your password, your local host, and all that cool stuff, which you should have written down on your previous step. So now you go ahead and click that and let's go. Your database name, you're gonna put it in right here. We created the database name called WP test. For the username, we put username, you put in your password. For your SQL, whatever it is that it's going to be. Database host is normally always going to be localhost, and you hit submit. Now if you're getting this message right here, it's just because you don't have the right information. I didn't put the right information in there because I didn't want you guys to have my logins and stuff like that. But once you do that and you got that all set up, you'll be giving a success page, and then all you gotta do to log in is just go to your blog, to your URL /wp-admin, and you're all done, man. You're ready to go. Everything has been set up for you. So if you have any comments, please let us know on the comments below. If you need any more help, let me know. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you find it helpful, and if you guys need any videos on any other subject, please don't hesitate to leave me a comment. Thank you.